Butandatu iramagaraga bantana na mukaga ebiro mu kiro sha mukago mu cyaro cya Kitareba hi na famu ya Asili omuri Kigumba district ya Kiryandongo harugutonye igendo rwa Guru Kampala.
Nomination ya sasa tubetu njya kwanga kuri masi. Butandeje birerimo motokina ya basi ya Nile Star Coaches namba UBF Rukagi 10X ya basi ya Planet namba UAM 085V ya Tata namba UBK Rukaga na Mshansi na Toyota Safu namba CGO 1552 AB 0 Mshanju.
Kasera kubera na accident ekubo bakolera litono terimala motoka zaffe ezitawo kukubona ateri highway etwala abantu bangi egenda munsi endala nga Sudan ne Congo zona zita wano kukubo lyaffe naye bridge bazikola bubi nnyo era wano mu Kigumba yennyini kuva kutandika Kafu okugenda kutuuka Karuma si walungi betubonabona buli kaseera.
Nikigambwa ngo omuvugi wa basi ya Nile Coaches abiri na Ruga Kampala kuza Guru agerizeho kushara rore niko kutomera busobwa ntama na basi ya Planet ebire nayo ne shara Toyota Safu.
At night, at about midnight, a terrible accident involving Nile Star and yet another bus which is yet to be identified, involving about 4 vehicles. So it is very terrible. We are here on the scene. A lot of life has been lost. It is very unfortunate and very many people are hospitalized. I request that people should be patient on the road. Let's be patient and let us maintain discipline while driving on the road. So you say an accident involving 4 vehicles and over 50-60 lives has been lost and very many people are in the hospital.
Samogweta ori mukuru w'ishomero rya Kiryandongo Intensive Secondary School yashaba government okushanjura rugutoru.
My appeal to the government is the nature of the roads that we have are too narrow and the number of vehicles are increasing. Even the number of people that are using the road are too many now. So our humble appeal is road signs are supposed to be followed by the drivers. And what is bringing accident these days is one, you will find somebody learning how to ride a motorcycle. Today is learning, tomorrow is along the road riding. Those are people causing accidents.
Bamwe batunjiro buhta birukangizibwa marwaro gatari gamwe na gamwe.
Very nasty accident involving two buses, a lorry and a Prado. So far 46 people are confirmed to date. So I'm rushing there. Other colleagues of mine are there to put things right.
President Museveni yaragira State House control ko hayo miliyoni 5 makagaferirwa abantu babo na miliyoni 1 hari aba batunjiro buhta. Polisi ya Albertine region yahamya amakuraga. Amakuraga shakanu wagaba Ambrose Katoto.